Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to talk about product tags. If you have a shop in the United States, you should stay here and you should listen. Okay, this is going to be a very short video, but I have seen some significant difference in results when I'm using the product tags and while I'm not using them. We're going to go into my PC, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about, and I want you to start using them. Give me your feedback if it's working well or bad for you, but at least for me I have seen difference into the ads. Of course, it's only for people that they do run a website and shop and not just website ads. It's only for United States. If you don't have that, you can leave. Anyway, it's just a small video. Let's go to my PC. Okay, so this video is small anyway, and my video editor is actually whining because whenever I'm using footage that has creatives inside, in order to protect our clients, we have to hide it. So I'm going to make it super fast and seamless. So I'm inside a campaign. This is stacked lookalike CBO campaign. And what I'm having here is a normal setup of having ads, not dynamic ads, but I'm using normal ads. So in each ad set, I'm having 3 or 4 ads. Don't ask me why, because I wanted to test. But still, on the same way, you can run, you're running ads on the Advantage Plus, okay? So in Advantage Plus, you're not having dynamic creative ads, you're having these ads that you can have different creatives for the placements, feeds, stories, reels, and right column search results. Over here, if we click on this one, we can see that there's this new thing, it's called creative tools, and we have the product tags. Okay, and here you can go and you can pick the products that you want. It has some suggested tags over here. Obviously, I'll have to hide the names, but you will understand. Over here you can search also from your shop the products that you want to add, and you can add more than one. Okay, so you can go and you can add 1, 2, 3, and you can just put them inside. I will try to do it, and I think it's going to be difficult in editing, but let's try. Maybe we're going to hide all of it. For example, let's take that we take this one, okay? And you can take it from here and you can drag it. I don't know how she's going to edit that, but we will do it like this. That's it basically. You can put another one and another one and another one if you want. Tag another product over here, as you can see. That's it. This is how you add. Then you add tagged products. Then you press save so people can know that they can also buy it on the shop and not only on the website. I have seen significant difference, and the only way to do it is, by the way, if you are running ads and you are having this option over here, which is website and shop. I don't know how the editing of this one is going to go. I think it's going to be difficult. So that's all. I think that you should test it. I have seen some good results consistently by just using it, or when I don't use it, I have seen differences. So maybe you should use it. But anyway, this is also a very good trained ad account, so I'm not sure about it, but still I have to share it with you. And don't forget that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, my course, my website, and until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.